Welcome back to another video on Arduino programming and interfacing. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to interface the input device and output device to the Arduino. Here, I am taking the example of IR sensor as an input device and LED as an output device. This IR sensor is useful to detect the object that is present in front of it. So, in this video, I am going to program this Arduino in such a way that if there is some object is present in front of a IR sensor, it will keep the LED glow for 5 seconds. As you can see here, in the IR sensor, we have the 3 pins, that is ground pin, positive, and the output. So this output will be connected to the Arduino, and the ground and the supply pin will be connected to the ground and supply. So here you can see that the ground will be connected to the ground of the Arduino. This positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal, and this out is connected to the pin number 3 of the Arduino, which is just present over here. So here we are going to connect the output of the IR sensor to the Arduino, and it will behave as the input device. So I have shown this as an input arrow towards the Arduino. Now we are going to take the LED as an output device. So now I will take the output from the pin number 8 of the Arduino, and it will be connected with the LED, and here I am using the current limiting resistance, and that will be connected to the ground. So let's start with the connection. So we have LED over here, and I'm placing the LED over here, then the resistor, and we will connect this IR sensor to the Arduino board, so which we have over here. I'm connecting this LED to the 8 number pin of the Arduino, and this resistance to the ground of the Arduino. Now let's take this IR sensor, and I have 3 wires over here. I'm connecting these 3 wires to the IR sensor. So now you can see that this blue color wire is representing the output, and it will be connected to the pin number 3 of the Arduino. This middle one is the supply, so I am connecting it with the plus 5 volt. Yellow is the ground of the IR sensor, which will be again grounded. Now let me connect this USB cable to the Arduino board, and after that now we will program this microcontroller using Arduino IDE, and then we will program in such a way that this LED light will be glow for 5 seconds whenever this IR sensor output is high. So if there is some object is present over here, then the LED will be glow for the 5 seconds. Otherwise the LED will be turn off. So now let's start with programming for the hardware using Arduino IDE. So here you can see that we have already a void setup and void loop present in the Arduino IDE. In void setup, generally we are defining the pin as an input or output. In the void loop, we will write our logic. So before that, I will define the 2 pins. That is, for sensor S1, we have used the pin number 3 as an input, and for LED L1 we have a pin number 8, and in void loop using pin mode we will define that sensor S1 is input and LED L1 is output. So now let's write our logic in the void loop. So first of all we need to read the sensor output, so which is connected at pin number 3. So I will consider S1 is equal to digital read. This digital read command will read the pin number 3 continuously, and next we will give if this S1 pin is high, then we want to write digital write, the LED will glow, so we will write L1 comma high, and we want this LED to be high for the 5 seconds, so I will provide the delay of 5 seconds. This is 5000 milliseconds, so it is a 5 second. Now we want another condition, that means if our sensor output is low at a time, the LED should be turned off. So for that I will write else if, let's check the S1, if it is equal to low, then we will write here digital write L1 comma low. So this will turn off the LED, and that's it. We have done with the programming part. Let's verify that whether there is some error in this or not. So click on verify. So it will ask you for to save the program. So I will just save in the Arduino folder. I will save in the Arduino folder as LED sensor. Now click on save, and you can see that it is now compiling. So here you can see that we have done compiling successfully, and there is no error in our program. So let's upload to the Arduino board. So before you upload to the Arduino board, you need to connect the USB port. So I'm just connecting the USB port. Now make sure that you have selected the Arduino Uno board over here, and just select the COM port which is available to you, which is connected to the Arduino board. So I have already selected this COM8 Arduino Uno board, and now let's upload. So now we have successfully uploaded our code into the Arduino, and now we will check the hardware, and we will check the response of the hardware. So now we have successfully uploaded our program into the Arduino board, and let's check that what happened with our sensor. You can see that as the sensor is high, this LED is remain high for the 5 seconds. After 5 seconds it will be automatically turn off, and it will remain turn off since we produce the next high pulse. So this is how you can interface the IR sensor with the Arduino, as well as you can control the LED as an output device. See you in the next video. Thank you.